Hello everyone. Today I will talk about retrospective using Jira. How can you do a retrospective and what is retrospective? So whatever work that has been done and you want to understand what went well and what could have been done better or what good things can continue. So that is the objective of retrospective, that team sit together and do a brainstorm to understand uh, what went well and what went wrong or what could have been done better. So all those things is discussed and it is captured in the retrospective document, right? So let's go to the Jira. Uh, I'll take you to Jira, and this is normally we are. I mean, talking about. I mean, when we're executing a project in sprint using a Scrum board, so you can use it. So if you see the board, so this is the current sprint which is getting over now, and you see the status, the work that is done, it is, so this is, you see this is the status now, assuming that this is the status. So this is the current status and we've completed the sprint because the sprint duration is done, and we are moving all the remaining items in the sprint for now. So whenever a sprint ends, okay, so you can do a retrospective. So how you can do a retrospective using Jira and Confluence? You go to project page and you can click on retrospective, right? It talks about, it gives a very simple template. It says, okay, you give the date, team, participants, background, retrospective, start doing, stop doing, and keep doing, right? So this is template that you can open from here, right? So I have a template which we have to work on. So this is a retrospective for sprint 3. So let me open it. Okay, and this is a date. So it's very simple to type the date here, // and a date control will open to select the date, right? And team, you can put the team here, right? So insert the team. I mean, you can leave as it is and you can start putting the participant with @ sign, right? You can do that, and then what needs to be done here? So start doing, so complete the committed task in the sprint. So if you see the sprint status, I mean, a lot of tasks were not done. So we have team is committed it, but they're not done. No, they've not done it. So this is one of the feedback, and this has to be taken care. Stop doing. So overcommitment should be avoided, and keep doing. So code review and unit testing should be done, should continue. Sorry, should continue. So this is a template, and you can write all the start doing, which or stop doing, keep doing. So I mean, after discussing with each and every one, so this feedback should be coming from all the team members. You can, I mean, check with them, and you can do a brainstorm to understand what went, what the best practices can continue, what should be stopped, and what should be keep doing it, or what should be, I mean, start doing it. That is very important in this sprint. And action item. So action item should be identified, that like action item to team members, right? So requirement clarification should be done, before picking any task in this sprint. So tentative date is, so what is action date? So ETA is maybe 25th August 2022. So there should be some date, right? And then similarly, you can keep so whatever action item that needs to be there, you can put that again, another action item for someone, and then right. So whoever has a team member and has ownership, so that name should be there, and then the action item and the ETA so should be there. So every action item should have the end date, and that should be tracked in going forward, right? So once this is done, you can publish it, right? And you can also publish it. So one more thing, if you see, so all the participant names should be mentioned here with that, with the sign at the rate, right? So automatically when you publish it, it will automatically go to all the participant in the participant list. And if you go to conference, and if you go to this page, you will see home page, you will see retrospective for sprint. You can open and go through again, and you can keep track it. So once it's done, you can also update it. You can do an edit of this page and update this page and publish it again, right? So if you want to make any change here and anything or action item is complete, you can update that action item and you can publish it, right? So this is a very good document or process which needs to be followed in the Jira by doing the retrospective whenever the sprint ends, right? Or whenever anything needs to be taken care. So a retrospective is the best medium to identify doing a brainstorm and then tracking it, the action item coming out from that. So that's all from my side today. Thank you so much.